Hey guys, welcome back to Outer Mountain. Today we continue working on our Recession Woodshed, where we're trying to build it with as many materials as we already have on hand and what we can find in the woods. And today we set the last beam, which is a big 31-foot long beam, and we call in a little help from our friend George, who has the right piece of equipment for the job. In the last segment of our firewood shed build, we used the Alaskan sawmill to cut a 31-foot long beam out of a poplar tree on our property. And now that we have it up to the site, it's time to measure it, notch it, and set it in place. So George is here with his high lift to help us set this last beam. Sarah, the boys, and I set all the other beams just using a tractor and a lot of muscle. Probably not the safest way to do it, but you know us, we're all about safety. So with George here and his big machine, it should go a whole lot smoother.
Pull that latch here.
That might be enough for us to flip it the rest of the way. If he could lower it down and kind of get it where it needs to be. Pretty close here. We've got room to flip. He could come down on this side a little bit more. I don't know what the other side looks like.
You can flip it, get that in, set on that post. And you can lay it down on that. Are we close to it right there?
We're close. It's we're real close. The platform, the notch is open. Yeah, I don't know if we can flip it up from there. Flip it to be on there pretty good. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. All right.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Hold it right there. If we can set it down right there, we just lower it.
Whoa!
Okay, hold it right there. Hold what you got.
We're pretty good on my end, Jason. It could get screwed in. The other end may have to come back a little bit. be great if it'd pull it up a little snugger.
It's gonna go through. Do we care?
No. Well, can you get up there and clip it off? It's gonna be hanging out the front.
Right, it's gonna be hanging out the front like that.
That's not hanging out.
Okay, we'll see what it does.
Okay.
I can grind it off.
Okay. There you go. That's pretty. That closed the gap.
So we got our last beam set and we did it safely. Nobody got hurt. It was a little bit tedious. Those things just seem to never go as easy as you think they should. Next time in our firewood shed build, we pull some rough lumber and make some rafters and get it ready to put on a roof. If you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, hit that notification bell so that you know a new video comes out. Send us some comments and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.